Hello everyone. This is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening the final window number 24 of our Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. It is December 24th. It is Christmas time and it is the most wonderful time of the year. I have enjoyed creating and opening the windows of this advent calendar. This was a true joy. Like I mentioned, I enjoyed this advent calendar because it's an activity advent calendar. It's not just, open, look at something and put it away. I got a product and I was inspired to create with this product. I was inspired to play with my other supplies, and I was just having a fun and crafty time. The advent calendars are still available on the Spellbinders website. I believe there's even a little bit of a discount for both of them. There are two advents. There's the Crafty Advent Calendar, this one, the one with the 24 different surprises, and then there's this Stitchmas Advent Calendar with 12 different surprises, and all of those feature stitching dies. So let's go ahead and look at today's surprise. I have already opened it and I have already started creating with these products. So today we have a suitcase and that is so adorable. I love this image. Again, like all other Spellbinders dies, the suitcase has many parts and pieces, allowing you to cut the pieces from different colors of cardstock and customize the things. I tried different color combination. I first went to Pinterest and I looked up suitcase illustrations to get some ideas of what colors I can use to create the suitcase. And the one that I liked the most was this blue. So I used the dark blue. This is indigo for the larger piece, for the background piece. And then I used the cosmic sky for this smaller piece. I added some ink blending because I wanted the suitcase to look slightly worn and like it's not brand new. I wanted it to look like it's already traveled the world and been different places. So I added dark blue ink blending to the bottom of each of the die cuts and then a little bit of black ink blending as well. Now the handle was cut from the brushed black cardstock, and also these little pieces, the straps, cut them from brushed black as well. I thought about cutting them from gold, but I cut the buckles from gold. So cutting these pieces from gold would have been too much, would have resulted in me having too much gold on this die cut. I'm using glue. This is Barely Art glue and gluing all of the pieces together. I thought about all the different card ideas that I could create using the suitcase. I was a little pressed for time, so I filmed this video this morning, but we are leaving to go to the cabin in the woods, so I was kind of pressed for time and I needed to finish this video as quickly as possible. So I didn't have, the time that I wanted to experiment with this die and play and create. I thought about using the French bulldog and also using the cat and maybe having those critters stick from the suitcase. Or, I thought about adding something else to the suitcase, maybe digging through my stash and maybe finding an umbrella, like a beach umbrella die or flip-flops, or like creating a mini passport or something like that. I feel like those elements would go really well with a suitcase. Instead, I used an embossed panel from my stash. The panel was created using the Castaway 3D embossing folder from Spellbinders, designed by Dawn Walslagel. And I also used You Brighten My Day sentiment. This was foiled in gold foil. The sentiment comes from a Better Press sentiment set. This is called Always and Forever Sentiments. And then I have a little die cut hello. The hello is from my collection from the Anemone Blooms from the Wonderful Script sentiment set. Unfortunately, the hello is discontinued. I didn't realize that it's been discontinued. So I apologize for using a discontinued product, but I'm sure you guys have this product in your stash. Or if you don't, you can use any other hello. Or if you have more time, unlike me, you can come up with a more creative sentiment for a card like this. I love the suitcase because it's not only the suitcase, you also have the straps, the buckles, the tag, the little airplane, the little tags or whatever they're called, like the circles and the triangles, and those pieces make the suitcase unique and they make it look like there are stickers on the suitcase from all the travels. So this is the look at day 24 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Thank you so much for sticking with me throughout these series. I wish I could have filmed all 24 days, but I did the best I could under the circumstances. I hope you enjoyed these. I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks so much for joining me today. Love you guys, and I will see you again soon.